So first up, we have students of Nadya Marga, Guru Shashwati Jagdish. Students here are Arjun, Nayana, Anaga, Sridevi, Rajiv, Tia, Satya, Sumaya, Swacha, Dia, Shambhavi, Abhirami, Aditya, Jishan, Bhuvana, Sarangi, Adi, and Guru Shashwati herself. And they will be performing Narayana Hari Kriti in Yaman Kalyani, set to Aditya.
In which Shruti?
In Shruti A.
Shruti a bit louder.
Yep.
And also my voice volume louder. Namaste everyone. Such a beautiful day, such a beautiful occasion, and I'm really happy to be here with my lovely students. We are from Nadya Marga. It's actually the first time we are all going to sing together. This was not planned. It's a sudden decision. So each of us have practiced by ourselves, and this is our offering to Sri Tyagaraja Swami and Lord Ram. We will be presenting Narayana Hari. It is a Divya Namam composed by Sri Tyagaraja Swami in Yaman Kalyani set to Aditaya. Narayana, Hare Narayana, Narayana, Hare Narayana, Narayana, Hare Narayana, Narayana, Hare Narayana, Hare Nashwaramani वीणविमानक वीणहृदालय दीनजनाभन दानवहर्षि वीणविमानक वीणहृदालय दीनजनाभन दानवहर्षि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण नाजूकुलुमि नाजूकुतन मोहे जूडनि त्यागराजुल मलर नाजूकुलुमि नाजूकुतन मोहे जूडनि त्यागराजुल मलर नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण 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 Thank you. I think some names were left out in the list. Sansita's name is not mentioned. Anybody else? Also Shriya, and this is Hashika.